Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back our YouTube channel Elegance Fashion. If you are new to my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel Elegance Fashion. Today we are diving into a wardrobe staple that every woman needs: trousers. Whether you are dressing for the office, a casual outing, or a special event, we have got you covered. Let's explore the different styles, how to wear them, and some tips to find the perfect fit. First up, let's talk about the various styles of trousers available. Each style serves a unique purpose and can drastically change the look of an outfit. Wide leg trousers are perfect for a chic, sophisticated look. They are incredibly comfortable and can be dressed up or down. Pair them with a fitted blouse for a polished office look or a casual tee for a laid-back vibe. Skinny trousers are a versatile option that can be worn year-round. They are great for showing off your sleeves and can be easily paired with oversized sweaters or blazers. For a night out, try them with a stylish top and some heels. Straight leg trousers offer a timeless look. They provide a balance between the relaxed fit of wide leg trousers and the snug fit of skinnies. These are ideal for a professional setting or even a casual day out. Culottes are a fun and fashionable choice, especially during the warmer months. Their wide leg crop design allows for ease of movement and can be paired with anything from sandals to ankle boots. For those who prioritize comfort without compromising style, joggers are the way to go. Perfect for running errands or a casual hangout, joggers can be paired with sneakers and a simple tee or dressed up with a blazer and loafers. Now, let's talk about finding the perfect fit. The key areas to focus on are the waist, hips, and length. Always measure your natural waistline and the last part of your hips. From length, consider where you want the trousers to fall above the ankle, at the ankle or below. Stylish your trousers can be a fun way to express your personal style. For a professional look, pair tailored trousers with the crisp button-down shirt and heels. For a casual day out, try high-waisted jeans with the tucked-in tee and sneakers. Don't forget to accessories with belts, jewelry, and bags to complete your look. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to